innovation has driven improvements in economic opportunity, health opportunities, and educational opportunities throughout the history of mankind. The challenges that we face today around sustainability of our planet, around the improvement of the quality of life for actually the majority of people on the planet are very big challenges. People don't have, there aren't enough jobs, there isn't enough water, there isn't enough food, and at the same time, those that do have employment and are meeting their personal and family needs often do so while destroying the planet. So the net sum of what we're doing is we're constantly taking away from what we were born into, and we need to reverse that.
De salir al mundo y lograr una posición. Hay una manera de salir al mundo y decir quiénes somos. Hay una manera de salir al mundo y decir cómo deben hacerse las cosas. Y lo podemos hacer desde Chile. Y eso es a través de la innovación. ¿Qué es lo que trae a Trevor Ruan Kennedy a Chile? ¿Qué hace que Rainer, que fue el creador o es considerado el padre del acelerador de partículas, ¿qué hace que esté nuestro amigo ruso en Chile? Nosotros hemos dado con un modelo que permite hacer innovación. Es un modelo que permite crear valor a través de la innovación. ¿Será posible romper ese paradigma de que los pobres no consumen tecnología o que los pobres reciben la tecnología cuando esta está obsoleta? ¿Nosotros qué hicimos? Desarrollamos un generador de plasma continuo. A ese generador de plasma continuo pensamos, ¿será posible generar el plasma con un medio no apto o no considerado normalmente para eso, sino que con agua proveniente de un alcantarillado?
Mira, los cambios son sumamente grandes, porque por ejemplo antes teníamos que juntar el agua y esperar que llegara el camión, cocer el agua y tomarla. Ahora instantáneamente la tomamos al tiro, o sea, abramos la llavecita. Es más cómodo también porque llegáis y no tenéis que hervirla, tenéis que tomártela con confianza. Se gasta menos plata en bebidas, jugos, porque también las pones a congelar y entran como cachantún para adentro. Así que ha sido un buen privilegio tener este purificador para todo el campamento. Y nos ha servido para la salud, sobre todo, porque pasamos mucho, hasta yo misma pasaba enferma al estómago. Pero hasta ahora, gracias a Dios, todavía no me ha dado ni un rejostón al estómago que sea por agua. Así que ha sido un privilegio tener un purificador en este campamento, un orgullo grande, sobre todo aquí en Cerrillo.
So plasma water sanitation is based on the effect of plasma, which generates a high-intensity electric field and high-intensity ultraviolet radiation and shock waves. Under these conditions, bacteria cannot survive and they die, so we have sanitized water. To achieve plasma in our working chamber, we use the high-pressure pump, which gives us high pressure about 100 bars. And then we put this water under high pressure to the nozzle, and the nozzle creates the biphasic air-water system, and in this biphasic system we initiate plasma. And in this reaction chamber with plasma, the water sanitation proceeds. So that's it, a brief description.
I think I'm very enthusiastic about this approach. I think in many universities, in many laboratories, very advanced technology has been developed. But what often is missing is that this technology is really applied to practical applications and it serves humanity. And with the kind of activity which we are pursuing here, I think that really forms a bridge between the research that has been done and applications which are really urgently needed. I think the water requirement which we heard so much about today is a very good example. Many people lack clean, safe drinking water. We have the advanced technology to make that. We can make it in a very efficient way without very complex systems. But somebody has to really build these systems and bring it to the third world where people need these activities. So I think what we are doing here in Chile, making that bridge between research and applications, using innovation in a unique way, I think is very important.
Well, the members of this Academy of Engineering Science of Russia are the leading scientists in their fields of study. So this is like elite of Russian science. So, and the members of the Academy, these leading scientists, are very interested in extension of their ideas, extension of the research what they are doing to the developing countries, and and also to implementation of these ideas into industry, into human life. And that's why Darnas believes that this visit, this collaboration that we are starting now with Chilean Advanced Innovation Center can provide us with the opportunity of combination of doing research, of high-level research, both in Russia and here in Chile, and the actually utilization of these scientific ideas and solutions for Chilean industry. So this visit and this agreement about the creation of a new innovation center, this is the first step of our future close cooperation with your nice people, nice scientists, nice engineers, and with the whole country of Chile.
То есть работа по созданию инновационного центра здесь это очень важно для всего, не только для наших стран, но и для всего мира.
And this work, which is started now with the creation of a joint innovation center, is very important and very challenging and very useful for not only for Russia, not only for Chile, but for the whole world.
The innovation that happened here and in Russia that resulted in the water purification system that was installed in a very poor slum here in Chile is a great innovation. And why is that? Well, it provides clean water, which helps with health, and on a variety of levels. People aren't directly exposed to disease by drinking bad water. People have the benefit of greater health by not burdening their bodies with bacteria and microorganisms and viruses that are in unsanitized water. But at the same time, doing so by not using so much energy and doing so in a distributed fashion, it has less impact on the sustainability of the planet. Throughout the first industrial revolution, we tended to centralize everything. because you had to bring a lot of capital together to create a railroad. We were using coal and steam, which required big projects, centralized management, and so on. Today, we have a revolution with the web and internet technologies that makes things more lateral, that makes things more peer-to-peer and more distributed. So innovations in digital technology and innovations in point solutions, such as a small water system for a small group of houses or a neighborhood, sustainable electricity at the neighborhood level, access to education across the web, access to markets which allow for greater job stability for small players. These are all things that can happen because of the innovation that happens in places like the Chilean Advanced Innovation Center.